Assalamu alaikum. A little girl was holding two apples in her two hands. Then her mother asked for one. The little girl quickly the buy one apple. Then the other two, her mother held back disappointment. The little girl handed one to her mother, saying, "Here, this is cheated." One mother immediately asked, "Assalamu alaikum."